session of Parliament that is all set to begin from today, and the government is prepared with a series of bills that they plan to introduce over the course of next 3 weeks. Ahead of the winter session of Parliament, the Union government brought together leaders from across the political spectrum for a customary all-party meeting that was held in the national capital. The aim is clear: to set the tone for a smooth, constructive and productive parliamentary session in the weeks ahead. Union Minister for Parliamentary Affairs Kiren Rijiju also has set the agenda ahead of this meeting, and also talking about as the government has now urged the opposition to cooperate.
आज ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग है। अभी हम सारे दल के जो नेता हैं सबके साथ बैठेंगे, उनके सुनेंगे। आज तो सरकार की ओर से हम ज़्यादा कुछ कहने का नहीं है, हम सिर्फ बिजनेस और टोटल कितने दिन है और कितना सेशन चलेगा उसका हम बताएंगे। बाकी तो अपोजिशन पार्टी का हम सुनना है। शाम को बिजनेस एडवाइजरी कमेटी मीटिंग है, 4 बजे लोकसभा का है, 5 बजे राज्यसभा का है। और क्योंकि ये शीतकालीन है, विंटर सेशन है, ठंडा दिमाग से सब काम करें और ज़्यादा गर्मा गर्म बहस ना हो, ये हम उम्मीद करते हैं। वैसे तो बहस तो होगा पार्लियामेंट में, मगर डिस्ट्रप्शन ना हो। हाँ, तो विंटर सेशन है, थोड़ा ठंडा दिमाग से काम करेंगे तो देश का फायदा है और पार्लियामेंट का सेशन भी अच्छी तरह से चलेगी।
So as far as developments are concerned, if thande dimag se kaam liya jayega ya nahi, that only time will tell. But as far as the stage which is now set for a stormy winter session, the Aam Aadmi Party has now moved for the suspension of business notice, and this has been issued by Aam Aadmi Party MP Sanjay Singh, and they are now demanding discussion on the SIR and on the BLO debts. Let's get connected with Mohit on this. Mohit is joining us live. Well, Mohit, good morning. We're looking at the Parliament winter session that begins from today, and already on part of the opposition, they are setting the agenda.
Well, Amita, good morning to you too and our viewers. We know for a fact that how the opposition, as we were discussing earlier, Amita, that they have been demanding a discussion on SIR, the debts of the BLOs, and TMC surely will be very, very aggressive when it comes to the parliament session, because we know that how the SIR is being conducted in West Bengal. There, TMC has been saying that BLOs under pressure are committing suicide, and they have blamed the ECI and BJP for it. Now, similarly, there are a host of issues that the opposition parties want to raise, including the national security after the Delhi blast and SIR being the prime issue. But what we see is that the suspension notices already has started pouring in. We see that our Sanjay Singh, the member of parliament from the Aam Aadmi Party, has put out a suspension notice to have a discussion on the SIR and the deaths of BLOs and disenfranchisement of the people whose name have not come under the SIR. So we know that this has been the strategy, Amita, of the opposition parties, and they have said that we want debate and discussion on SIR. And yesterday at the all-party meeting, or at the BAC of LS, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha also, this issue was being raised. So we have to wait and watch that whether the issue of SIR will be taken up in the parliament or not. Because last time around also the opposition parties protested inside the parliament, but the government clearly says that SIR comes under the purview of election Commission. They are conducting that exercise. The government cannot have a discussion on SIR specifically in the parliament. So this was the stand of the government, and post that we saw that how the parliament was not allowed to function. This time around also similar scenes could be witnessed. At 10 a.m. There will be a meeting of India bloc leaders in the cabin of Mallikarjun Kharge inside the parliament. The strategy, the floor strategy of the opposition would be chalked out in that particular meeting. And at 10 a.m. also we will see Prime Minister Narendra Modi speaking to the media, and in his customary address just before every single session of the parliament, and he'll again come out and appeal the opposition parties to join the debate and discussion and not indulge in disruption. The government has also stated that they want a productive parliament session. They want to hear from the opposition, but they should not indulge in chaos and disruption.
The SIR issue is concerned, that's going to rage most on the part of the opposition, as already suspension on the business is something that the opposition MPs are seeking. Just put down that notice on part of the Aam Aadmi Party MP Sanjay Singh, and he is now asking that under Rule 267, notice of motion for suspension of rules and rules of procedure and conduct of business in Council of States Rajya Sabha, I hereby give the notice of my intention to follow the motion as far as when discussion is now being sought on the issue under Rule 267 for ECI's SIR, arbitrary deletions, BLO debts and disenfranchisement threatening Articles 14, 21 and 326. And this has now been referred as far as when it comes to the Aam Aadmi Party MP Sanjay Singh, and as far as suspension suspension of business for the House today is concerned, SIR remains on the top of the agenda, where multiple political parties from the opposition are wanting a debate and a discussion on this issue. But as far as now developments are now concerned, we also talk about Congress MP Manikam Tagore has also moved an adjournment motion notice during and asking for a similar discussion on the SIR and on the deaths of the BLOs. Now, this appeal by the Parliamentary Affairs Minister that we just heard coming in from Kiran Rijiju also comes at a crucial time where the opposition parties have already chalked out their agenda to take on the government on the floor of the parliament. Now they have been already pushing the narrative of vote chori and democracy khatre mein hai as they intend to raise it on the floor of the House, and historically debates around such themes have often spiraled into chaos that has led to complete whitewash and to repeated adjournments and walkouts as well. Now with the winter session of Parliament, that mainly will hinge on the issue of how cooperative and constructions the debates and the discussions have, and the government making that appeal and urging the opposition to allow the House to function smoothly.
We want discussion on the SIR, which is an attack on democracy. We wanted a discussion on those vote chori things, which is where Election Commission has become an agent to the whole process itself. The whole process is only making people die now. BLOs are dying, suicides are happening, work pressure is in 12 states they are implementing this thing. Tamil Nadu is one of the states. Uttar Pradesh is one of the states where people are suffering in a big way. Then the Delhi blast is a very important internal issue. Internal security is an important issue. Delhi pollution is a very important thing. The country's capital is becoming the world's dangerous place to live.
सत्ता पक्ष भाजपा प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी, केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री जी के नेतृत्व में भारत की लोकतंत्र और संसदीय मर्यादा परंपरा को खत्म करने पर तुली है। आज शीतकालीन सत्र मात्र 19 दिनों के लिए, जिसमें से सिर्फ 15 दिनों के अंदर चर्चा हो सकती है, शायद सबसे छोटा ये शीतकालीन सत्र होगा।
So this has now been said on projected on part of the opposition, saying that they don't have been given a lot of time already and this winter session is of a shorter duration. But the Congress party has prepared its own agenda ahead of the winter session of Parliament. So let's take you through as far as these agendas that the opposition are likely to raise on the floor of the House. First up is, of course, with the recent terror blast that has happened near the Red Fort. So national security is going to top the agenda. Then the ECI's conduct towards the opposition. We have seen that in the recently concluded Bihar elections as well, how they continue to attack the poll body. Nationwide pollution is also one of the things that has now been said on part of the opposition that they will be raising on the floor of the House. Financial security for farmers is said to be another important agenda. Disaster response security is also another agenda. And also when we speak of the foreign policy, with the recent tariffs that have now been put in and amounted on part of the United States of America, seems to be another agenda that they seem to corner the government on these several issues. Let's listen into what Congress leaders have to say.
इलेक्ट्रल रिफॉर्म्स के नाम के ऊपर जो लोकतंत्र की हत्या हो रही है, अगर लोकतंत्र नहीं बचेगा तो फिर पार्लियामेंट का मतलब क्या बचेगा? तो वो तो सबसे पहले है, इलेक्शन कमीशन को निरंकुश कर दिया है। इतनी निरंकुशता संविधान के अंदर तो हर चीज पे चेक एंड बैलेंस था, आपने तो इसको निरंकुश कर दिया। कोर्ट में भी नहीं जा सकते, कोई FIR नहीं हो सकती, कोई काम नहीं हो सकता इनके अगेंस्ट। तो आपने कर क्या दिया इनके लिए?
Now, when we speak on part of the government, which is now gearing up to table at least 13 of these key bills in the winter session of Parliament. So what is the government's point of view? Let's quickly run you through as far as the key amendment bills are concerned, which includes the Jan Vishwas amendment bill that is to be tabled, insolvency and bankruptcy code amendment bill that would be tabled. We're looking at Manipur GST second amendment bill that would be tabled. Repealing and amending bill is likely to also be brought about. The National Highways Amendment Bill is to be brought about. Then we are looking at the Atomic Energy Bill as well. Corporate Roles Amendment Bill. Then there is a bill on Security Markets Code. There is another bill on Insurance Laws Amendment Bill. We are looking at arbitration and Conciliation Amendment Bill. Other bills to be tabled include Higher Education Commission Bill, Central Excise Amendment Bill, and also Health Security to National Security Cess Bill. All of these are developments that is now been expected that would be taken up. But as far as in the private sector push to the nuclear sector is something that the Prime Minister previously had spoken about. Let's listen into what he had said.
हम एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण सेक्टर में भी कदम उठाने जा रहे हैं। हम न्यूक्लियर सेक्टर को भी ओपन करने की तरफ आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। इस सेक्टर में भी हम प्राइवेट सेक्टर की सशक्त भूमिका की नींव रखने जा रहे हैं। इससे स्मॉल मॉड्यूलर रिएक्टर, एडवांस रिएक्टर्स और न्यूक्लियर इनोवेशन में अवसर बनेंगे। यह रिफॉर्म हमारी एनर्जी सिक्योरिटी और टेक्नोलॉजिकल लीडरशिप को नई शक्ति देगा।